Thank you, Mr. Shivesh. Good morning, Dr. Kiran Bedi. Honored to be here with you. And as you just offered, MEPSC will definitely partner with your Navjyoti Foundation, and we'll take your foundation to the next level, for sure. Thank you, Mr. Sanjeeva Shivesh. Shivani, yeah, always the backbencher, but she's the one who's actually leading us all. Thanks to Team SBI, thanks to my team of MEPSC and all the stalwarts from IIT Delhi and all others who have come here to bless us, to motivate us on this very important graduation step which we have actually taken. For last 5 years, when we started sometime in just immediately during COVID, the first wave, Shivani's, me and Mr. Shivesh, we were talking, and then we wanted to do something very seriously on this entrepreneurship amongst the students, actually. We wanted to catch them really young, and the idea was originally Shivani's, and then fueled by Mr. Shivesh, and it was only supported. It was very natural for me to only support it as a sector skill council for entrepreneurship in the country, and this is what is one of my mandated areas. Since we are the ones who are implementing the Skill India mission and making it popular among the youth of the country for a better tomorrow. And it is not only to create wealth for themselves, but for the entire country in turn. So that is the whole idea, which we all passionately live, dream, and actually we are working towards it. Just looking back, we have successfully conducted 4 editions of Youth Ideathon along with CBSE in the school, and we have had great successes, great many stories, and I wish if we can circulate the digital copies of our achievements together, what kind of impact we have made. So ma'am, just to tell you, we started off about 2,000 schools sometime in 2021, and with almost about 30,000-40,000 students participating. And recently we concluded the 4th edition, where more than 1.5 lakh students with more than almost 10,000 schools participating. CBSE schools not only in India, but also abroad, and in Gulf region actually. So this is something which we are very proud of. In fact, we are more proud of our students who have done well and proud. One such girl is of 2021 cohort. She is doing a entrepreneurship, fully funded, sponsored entrepreneurship course in Stanford University, ma'am. Fully paid. So that is really Dakshayani Pandey. And she was from a small little place, Sitapur. And she had, ma'am, devised, because she had a personal tragedy in the family, and she had devised a very simple device. She lost one of her siblings in a closed car due to lack of oxygen. So she just put a motor and oximeter with that, which is actually measuring the level of oxygen in a closed compartment, and it is beyond a threshold, it is actually automatically lowering the windows. So that was kind of the idea which we have seen through. We have one idea wherein a young boy of DPS, class 7th, he was such a smart speaker, and he had started the intern Shala along with 2 of his friends. And ma'am, see the level and audacity of his dream and ambition. In his competitor list, he had mentioned LinkedIn. Can you imagine? That is the kind of the dreams and the ambitions of these young kids are. So if we don't do these kind of events and we really bring them out of their comfort zone, I think this is the biggest welfare we can do for the country, not only for the youth. So very proud for this achievement, and very with lots of hope. We are starting on this new journey, and proud and privileged to have you as our chief guest, and with our partners from IIT. Ruby I can see there, and her team, and lot many people. Dr. Oberoi is there from Kirodimal College. So a lot of known supporters and friends among us. really looking forward to this exciting phase where we can together make a difference in the country. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.